Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this body butter. This is a sunflower body butter that I started using since the beginning of fall. Now we're in winter. It is very good for the body. It helps to hydrate the skin. So if you're someone with dry skin, this is something you're going to love, but at the same time it is for all skin types, as I'm someone with an oily skin. So if you want to see how I made this butter today, let us get into this video. So to start this recipe, you're going to need where you can warm your oil. You can do this in a microwave double boiler method, but I'm going to be using this wax warmer. Yes, this is a wax warmer that I got as a gift. So I'm going to start by preheating the warmer, and I set it at low. I think medium or low. Let's see. Low, medium, low, medium. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to start with the first ingredient, which is the shea butter. This is organic. It's unadulterated, and yeah, I got this from Nigeria. So you can basically get your shea butter from anywhere, but make sure you're getting the real deal, because there are just lots of substandard natural ingredients being passed off as organic or the real deal, but make sure you get the right thing. That is about half a cup of shea butter, and now I'm going in with coconut oil. That is 2 tablespoons that we have there. And the next ingredient is going to be the sunflower. This is a 35% measurement. If you are making body butter, just make sure that you have every other oil does not go above 35% more than the original oil for the recipe, but I'm using equals here because the goal is to make a hydrating body butter, and also the sunflower oil itself is going to help the coconut oil work better, because it helps to trap moisture in the skin and heal your skin. If you want to see the benefit of this body butter, there's a link in my description box. Please click on it and you read more about it. Here is the essential oils. I did not use the ideal amount of essential oil because I did not want it to be too much. I didn't want too much scent in it. So I used about 40 drops in this recipe. So I think I'm about 20 or 30 drops short of essential oil, but I'm good with it. So I used 2 essential oils here. I used lemongrass, and also, let's see what else, jasmine. Yeah, jasmine. Yeah, so I just have 40 total of both essential oil, and just add that to the carrier oil that is already melting away there. It's not melting away, it's melting up. So I'm going to give this a quick stir just to incorporate everything together and let it melt totally and infuse properly together. All those particles are just from the shea butter. This is how you know that, okay, you're getting it from the locally sourced ones or made ones. The white powder that you see is an additional ingredient. That is what I'm trying to break it up and get it to incorporate into the oil, because it helps the consistency of the oil. So whenever you're making your own DIY body butter at home, you can add cornstarch or arrowroot powder. This is just going to help hold the body butter together and make it less greasy in your container and make it look like a proper pomade. So yeah, I'm going to just let it cool down a little bit more here. So I'll be turning it off totally to low, or turning it off at all. Yeah, from low. Okay, yeah, I did switch it off from medium to low, from low to off now. Yeah, so just to control the temperature of the carrier oil and the essential oil. So we are going to be, I'm going to be sieving it here, and make sure you sterilize or you sanitize all of your tools. This is a sieving cloth. I can't use, it is important that you sieve your oil because there will be particles, most especially if you're getting it from the original source, you know, like those people that make it back home and they don't add, mix or remove anything from it except what is not needed. So sieving it is going to just make it a lot cleaner to use, and the sieving cloth is tight enough to not let large particles go through. And now I'm like shaking or jiggling it just to let more oil come through and let the bottom part settle and not, you see that right there. So that was what I was preventing. So that won't go in because the particle is very, very fine, can go through the cloth. But you see the particles, the larger particles from the shea butter, and which is fine. It's not going to harm your body or your skin, but just to be clean a little bit more. That is why I had to save it. So here we are. I'm going to be cooling this a little bit more by putting it in the refrigerator. I left it here for about 30-40 minutes, and I went about doing other things, came back to get it. I think at this point it was a little bit over 40 minutes because it's almost like freezing, but my refrigerator is set to very high. So we are back at the station, about to make magic happen. I'm getting my whipping machine hand blender from Home Geek. I really love this. It's very handy. It has that immersion blender part as well. I'm going to link it in the description box. And also we are going to be using mason jars, 2 mini mason jars to store this at the end of the day. And also this spoon is to scoop, not to eat, even though it looks like something like an ice cream right now, but no, it's not an ice cream. It's a body margarine. So I had to switch the bowl because the pressure from the hand mixer was just too much for that tiny bowl. And if you take a look at the consistency, it's quite different from some other kind of body butter that would like fluffy up and become so airy like whipped milk. But because of the cornstarch and also if you substitute it with arrowroot powder, you're going to have this pomade consistency. It does not take away from the quality of the body butter. In short, it adds to it because cornstarch is very good for soothing skin. If you feel like your skin is too dry to the point of itchiness, mix cornstarch with coconut oil and rub it on your body and thank me later. If you're hearing footsteps, that would be my son racing up and down the corridor. But yes, our body butter is ready and about to go into the storage container. I'm going to be using my finger, guys. It is sanitized, it is clean, it is a personal product, and yes, just in case for anybody that's going to find it disturbing that I'm using my finger, you're going to see how this is going to be dropping. So you see how smooth. This is a very good body butter. Honestly, I've been using it on my skin, I've been using it on me. It just doesn't stop as a body butter, body pomade for me. It also helps with my arthritic pain. The sunflower oil is an amazing arthritic massage oil. So if you know someone that has arthritis and all that, recommend it because I have, and I've been using it and I love it. So I'm just going to stop there with this one and cover it and beat it. How do I say it? Like just move it around so that the air can, there's no air in it, you know. And please always use airtight containers for your products. Do not just use regular containers, because airtight container preserves it better and for longer use. So yeah, this is me beating it around for the air to escape somehow within the container. So I'm just going to fill up the other mason jar. Actually, the remaining one in that bowl, I used it before I started using the other the first one that I packed. I like took the whole big bowl to my bedroom, and I was using it for quite a while because it's very moisturizing. A little goes a very, very long way, and your skin stays hydrated for the whole day. So yeah, that is it for the body butter. And hey, if you still want to know more about the benefits of this body butter, please click on the link in the description box or pinned in the comment section and find out more. That link will take you directly to my website, so it is totally safe for you to click on it. Yeah, sorry for the poor quality here. At this point my phone had, you know, also got moisturized with the oil, so I didn't realize it till now that I'm editing, and I apologize, but this is the final result. It is non-sticky body butter. You will enjoy using these as I have, and it just has a lot of healing and soothing properties and benefits to it that I feel like if you try it, you will love it. I have used it to heal my daughter's wound. Like, I've just used it for a lot of things, and I hope you guys get to try this and let me know how you like it. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and see you in my next video, guys. Bye and stay blessed.
It's like a family tree.